Alright, replacing the 3-inch. Final touches here. If you guys remember what happened to my other one, it unfortunately took a bad tumble. It took a bad tumble. It was not happy. She was not happy. She ended up pretty bad shape into the trees, and that was kind of the end of it. So, yep. She didn't do so hot. There we go. Make sure that's nice and stiff. There we go. Keep that up at the angle I like. There it is. Alright. There we go. I want that tail out there. Nice. Shouldn't get sucked into the prop. She should be alright. Alright. There you go. Little tiny guy. Ready to go here. 3S. 2S, 3S. Should be a good little ripper. These motors might be a tad bit too small for this, but I can always upgrade them if I need to. Let's effectively see what these weigh in at real quick. Well, let's see what they weigh in at. It's probably a good time to check. Oh boy. Okay. Let's do this. Set that over there. And we'll make sure the scale is zeroed out. Okay. Set you on there. Actually, let's do it this way. That way I can guarantee that it's all on there. There we go. Boom. 124 grams. Well below the weight limit. Well below the weight limit. And this thing should rip when it's done. So let's plug it in. See if we get smoke. Let me turn on my visuals. I had this tuned in a second ago, so we're gonna use the SkyDroid receiver here because I've had this thing for like 4 years now and it just works great. So I don't have a reason not to use it. Let's see here. Whatever, on USB camera. Yeah, there we go. Tilt this back. Beautiful. Alright, so running on this. Let me tilt you guys back here for 1 sec so I can plug in and see if Emu Flight's gonna pop up here. Let's see what we got. Emu Flight. There we go. Alright, menu just popped up. Oh, beautiful. It's beautiful, folks. Beauty. Alright, well, I think it's about time to connect this and rip it.